I feel like this is a magic bag and I'm just pulling so many things out of it. Like, how did that come out of this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Destiny Taylor here, and if you're new, what's up? Welcome. As you can see right here, I gotta get this together. My kitchen is a hot mess. Yesterday, I went to Ikea, which was crazy. I stood in a line for almost an hour, and then I was in Ikea for like 2.5 hours. You know how it can get in Ikea. I hope I got everything. Actually, if I have to order, like get something else, I think I'm just gonna order it online and pick it up. Do that if you go to Ikea. Order it online, then pick it up. Anyways, I digress. I went to Ikea and I went to the Dollar Tree to get some things so I can organize my kitchen and also stock my kitchen with some dishes. So I guess we're going to start with everything that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So first we have these plastic bins, and I'll show you, I'll insert a clip of these gray plastic bins that I picked up sometime last week, and I use those to organize my cleaning products as well as my hair products in my closet, which, you know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys my closet today because it's a little bit all over the place, okay? I purchased 2 more of these fabric collapsible storage containers. I already have one in my closet right now, and that's for my swimsuits. This one is going to be for my underwear, and then I have this big one right here for my bras. So my bedroom drawer is actually in my hallway. For some reason, I feel very weird just having my underwear and my bras in the hallway. So I'm organizing all of that up in my closet, and I'm using one of my drawers that's in the hallway for office storage. The second drawer is going to store all of my extra bath towels because I don't have space for that in my bathroom. And then the top drawer is going to store all of my workout clothes. So here's another bin, and again, everything at the Dollar Tree is $1. And then I picked up 3 packs of these cabinet grip liners. Again, these were only $1, and they're usually $10 at Walmart or Target, and I believe they were $8 at Ikea, and I just wanted something simple and as close to white as possible, and a lot of other stores just had crazy designs on them. So I'm on a journey of becoming a minimalist in my own right. So that just means scaling down, only have what I need and not too much of what I want or what could come in use later if this were to happen. So I'm really taking that approach to my kitchen and really scaling down on the amount of dishes and cookware and eatware I have in there. So they just be honking their horns like it's music, honey. So to store my spoons, my knives, and my forks, I picked up these basket organizers, and I'm hoping they fit in my rollout drawer. I feel like this is a magic bag and I'm just pulling so many things out of it. Like, how did that come out of this? So I picked up some dishes. I do get dishes from the Dollar Tree. They are actually really good. So I got this huge mug, again, only $1, and this wine glass because I got 2 last week, but Onyx broke one of them while I was in Arizona. Since Onyx was able to break this glass so easily, I was just like, you know what, I probably should just invest in some nicer wine glasses and not get dollar ones from the Dollar Tree. But the glasses at Ikea, I also went to Walmart, they were so thin. Like if they were to fall, just tip over on the counter, they would break, versus this, I don't know if you guys can see, this Dollar Tree wine glass is very thick and it's very sturdy and it has some weight to it. So I highly recommend that. Oh, I actually got 3 of those organizers. So 2 of these larger sizes and then 1 of the smaller squares. And Okay, this one is for underwear, this one is for bras, and this one is for my socks. I remember now. Now I get to show you all of the things that I got from Ikea, which I'm super excited about. You know what? Let me not do that. So the first item from Ikea is this plate holder. So this is perfect because I have 3 big plates and 3 small plates. You know what? I don't know the price of this. This could have been $4. I'm just gonna say whatever price I think it is. And you can go on Ikea.com and check that out. I picked up one of the toilet bowl brushes and holders. This was only $1.99. This isn't the best toilet bowl brush, but I don't have one and it works for now and it'll last me about 2 months. So I am obsessed with these jumbo cork pot holders, but I use these as cup holders. I don't have placemats for my granite countertops and they stain so easily. I use these for my plates, my pots. These are amazing. I've been using the ones that came in my caraway set, which if you're interested in this gorgeous cookware set, I have the link down below, and I also have a coupon code. It comes in so many beautiful colors, but the color that I have is terracotta. Back to the regular program, but I've been using this and I really love it. And I know for a fact those cork pot coasters are $3 at Ikea. We have these cabinet shelves and these just add more space to your cabinets. I really needed these. I picked up 4 of these larger sizes and I'm hoping I have enough of these. I may have to order 2 more, but I'm hoping this is all I need to organize everything. And then I picked up 2 of these smaller ones. I believe the larger shelves are $7.99 and these right here are $5.99. Okay. Cutting boards. I picked up this larger one. I cut so many things, so having a larger one for my kitchen is beautiful because I was using one that's half the size for all of my cooking and it just was not popping. I believe this was $7.99, and then I picked up this smaller one. Say I just need to cut up a shallot, or if I'm cutting oranges or 1 avocado, an apple, the smaller one is going to do the job, and this was $4.99. I picked up these measuring cups. So we have the one that comes with the cups and the one that comes with the spoons, and I believe this is $3.99 and this one right here is $4.99. This was on sale for $1.99. I absolutely love this color. When I give you guys a tour of my place finally, I have this color everywhere. It's a bit in my room. I have a velvet green couch, a velvet green stool. This is a color that is here. So I picked this up to place this on my sink. Not sure how this is going to fit with the overall vibe of the kitchen because I don't really have any color in there, but maybe this will be a fun way to add some color. And then I picked up this drying mat. This was only $1.99 and I kept it gray just so it can blend in with my granite countertops. Guys, my camera shut off as I was talking about being attacked by roaches. I don't know what you guys heard, but I'm talking about my trash can and how I picked this trash can up. And I was seeing some of you may be like, why did you pick up that smaller trash can and not pick up the full-size trash can that Ikea has? And I was saying, well, I was on my way to saying that I picked this up and not that trash can. One, because I didn't really use it. Sorry about that noise. I didn't use it in my first apartment much or my second apartment, but also I want a smaller trash can in my unit just because I live in a very old building that is renovated. It has exposed brick and I am sure there are roaches living in the wall. Actually, I know there are roaches living in the wall. I was saying that I was attacked by them my first and my second night. I got that taken care of and I am maintaining that. But I digress, and I say all that to say that I want a smaller trash can so I don't accumulate so much trash, so I have to go and, you know, take my trash out more often. And honestly, this isn't too small, and this is the perfect size for one person. It comes with a silver handle that I have to attach, as well as two side handles. And also this is just very cute and very chic. So I am proud to say that I don't have any IKEA furniture in my apartment. Wait, that's a lie. I do. My desk is from IKEA, but I purchased it from OfferUp. So I picked up this, I guess this is a piece of furniture. This is the, I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, but this is that. And basically it's a tiny metal nightstand. And this is going to go on the side of my toilet, and I'm actually going to spray paint this a cream color. Let me bring this over here. I did pick up these goddess glasses. These were $8.99 and they're really clutch. I love how affordable IKEA is. These things don't need to be super expensive. Now granted, it's more of a lighter weight glass than you would get if you're purchasing an expensive set, but they work for me, and honestly I only need 4 of them, so 2 of them can break and I'll be like, oh dang. So now on to my dishes. Again, I just love green. I have velvet, green sofas and sittings, decor pillows. I have a lot of plants in here, so I'm happy to add some green dishes. So I picked up one of these bowls, only one, because I did pick up 2 clear bowls from the Dollar Tree last week, which I'm gonna just show you them because they're fire. Okay, I'm back. These are the clear bowls I picked up from the Dollar Tree last week, and they're a nice size. They're very thick. Honestly, it feels just as thick, slightly lighter than this ceramic bowl from IKEA, and it was only $1. I picked up 3 of these smaller plates, and again, these are going to sit up very nicely in a little plate organizer. I got 3 of these larger plates, and this color is so cute. You know what? I'm gonna just show you. Isn't this cute? Didn't I do that? Do you see all of this color? That was my IKEA and Dollar Tree kitchen and organization haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up this video, share this video with a friend, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite thing that I got.